Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to dive into.
Okay, I hope you are able to view my screen. Okay, fine. WP adminல login பண்ணிட்டேன். Rakesh-ங்கிற admin user account login பண்ணிருக்கேன். I logged into this account. I'm going to post. Postல போனோம் அப்படின்னா by default all postல நமக்கு என்னெல்லாம் post இருக்கோ அது வந்து இங்க list ஆகும். I think there is something you have created, I guess. Let's start with me. நேத்திக்கு பண்ணிருக்கீங்க 3:40 AM. தெரியல, நான் பண்ண நீங்க பண்ணீங்களான்னு தெரியல. Let me just see.
நான் தான் பண்ணேன் சார்.
Okay, very good. Okay, fine. Fine. நான் அது பார்த்தேன். Okay, done. No worries. So I'm going back to all post, add new. You want to create something in Python. Okay, wow. So I don't want to touch the topic. I will touch this very first topic. Okay, wow. என்னோட bookல இருந்து I'm picking up this topic. என்ன அப்படின்னா introduction to freelancing in web design. So introduction to freelancing first நான் முடிச்சிடுறேன். அதுக்கப்புறம் I will create a topic on, I'll create a post on introduction to freelancing using web design. I'm a web designer, I'm doing freelancing. Okay, wow. So introduction to freelancing. இதுதான் நான் பண்ண போறேன். Okay, so now I need to create a post. Postங்கிறது ஒன்றும் கிடையாது, it's an article. So இப்போ இந்த article create பண்றதுக்கு எனக்கு வந்து content தெரியாது. Okay, fine. ஏன்னா because எனக்கு freelancing என்னன்னு தெரியாதுன்னு வச்சுக்கலாம். Okay, how I'm going to do is I'm going to see, this is what we call it as a prompt engineering. Prompt engineering என்ன அப்படின்னா I need to be a SEO expert. SEO expert na search engine optimization. எதுக்கு search engine optimization பண்ணனும் அப்படின்னா then we can generate the traffic organically to our blog post or to our website. So I'm creating a prompt now. Act as an SEO expert. Okay, write a blog post on introduction to freelancing. Okay, so இதுதான் நான் பண்றேன். Act as an SEO expert, write a blog post on. என்னோட ஸ்கிரீன் உங்களுக்கு தெரியுதுல்ல? Okay, I'll share you this link for your reference. Okay, ஸோ நான் என்ன பண்ணியிருக்கேன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எனக்கு வந்து பை டிஃபால்ட்டாக ஐம் நாட் ஸோ குட் ரைட்டர் அண்ட் ஐ டோன்ட் நோ how to write an article on the topic that I have no experience or no knowledge. Okay, cool. So all we need to do is நமக்கு என்ன டாபிக்ல எழுதணுங்கிறது தெரியணும். அதுக்கப்புறம் அந்த query-யை எப்படி வந்து ஒரு AI டூல்ல சப்மிட் பண்ணணும்னு தெரியணும். Okay, so I have given you the link. This is a Google AI Bard. Okay, so I'm using Bard now, and this is a beta version. I'm using the experimental version. Okay, it is free, so you can do unlimited query. You can generate unlimited contents using this Bard AI. Okay, now I have written a prompt. So நான் என்ன சொல்றேன் அப்படின்னா எனக்கு வந்து எழுத தெரியாது, but I need to write an article like an expert. Okay, so act as an SEO expert and write a blog post on introduction to freelancing. Okay, அதே டயத்தில் I don't want to write a lengthy article. It has to be very short and sweet, and it should be easy to understand. Okay, that would be easy to understand by students in a microblog style. So types of blogging வந்து நான் உங்களுக்கு ஆல்ரெடி ஒரு ஆர்டிக்கல் வச்சிருக்கேன். You just read through that article. Different ways of writing an article. Requesting the AI tool to create a blog post on freelancing, and it's just an intro about freelancing, and it should be easy to understand by students, and it should be in a microblog style. Clear until now?
Clear sir.
Okay, I hit enter. Okay, so it will take a second, then it will start giving me the output related to this topic. All I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy paste this content. I'll tell you how to edit this. Okay, here I'm just pasting it. Okay, I was about to create a divisional blocks, but I just paste it because it will by default create all the divisional tags, everything for me. So it has done it now. Now I need a title. Okay, I go to this. Now I say act as an SEO expert and write a catchy, highly SEO optimized title for above blog. Okay, Clear?
Okay, okay. Fine, fine.
See, I don't know anything. Okay, so I'm just using the AI tool to create a topic on there. It will take max to max 10 seconds. So it's giving me a lot of suggestions. So I'm just going to read what is freelancing, why should students consider freelancing, how to get started with freelancing, and then tips for successful freelancing. Conclusion. Okay, fine. So as I use the term student, so it's saying that students, but I don't want to say it's only for students. I would say why should one consider freelancing? Okay, it's not only for students, it could be for anyone. So freelancing is a way to work for yourself and set your own hours. Okay, perfect. You can freelance in any field, but some popular options for students including writing, editing, graphic design, and web development. Okay, perfect. I would say for beginners. I don't want to say students. It could be for anyone, right? So I say beginners. To get started, you need to create a portfolio of your work and market your service to potential clients. Perfect. Very good. So this is what we are doing, correct? Do you agree?
Okay. Yeah, okay.
This is what we are doing for you, correct? Okay, perfect.
Okay.
And so this is a catchy title, okay? But I don't want to target this only for students. So as I said, I want to target it for anyone and everyone, okay? So whoever is going to start their career in freelancing. I would say freelancing for beginners, lucrative side hustle. Okay, cool, done. So now I'm saving this draft. Okay, I'm not publishing, I'm saving this draft. As long as it is not yet published, the outside world they cannot see this post. Be only in the local server. It will not be published to the internet users. Okay, because it's in the draft now. I need to click on publish. Only then it will be shown to the world. Now all we have done is we just created a simple plain text format web page. But there are a few things, right? We have been talking about act as an SEO expert, act as an SEO expert. Okay, but in order to do on-page SEO, okay, on-page SEO is nothing but this post has all the elements that is needed for a organic traffic generation. If someone is going to search for freelancing, it should list your website on the Google search engine results. But there are a lot of steps to submit this website or this particular post to the search engine. We will cover the topic after creating 5 to 6 blog posts. Okay, for now, I'm going back to the home page. I'm clicking on plugins. Okay, I do have only the contact form. This will be used for the contact page. When I go to pages, I don't see any page here, and Astra is installed over there. So I just want to check and verify the themes. Okay, the theme is working fine. I click on customize. Okay, so site identity we have already done actually. Image, everything is okay, good, perfect. So we need to install plugins now. First and foremost is I'm going to use a free plugin. It's called Yoast SEO. When I search for it, it says that it doesn't exist. Okay, so all I need to do is I need to click on add new, and then here I search for the plugin Yoast SEO. I type and I hit enter. It gives me Yoast SEO. Okay, I'm installing it. I'm activating it. What is a blog, right? Different types of blog. Okay, if you don't know what is a blogging, I'll take you back to the same website. Do you see this? Am I audible, Rakesh?
Yes, sir, I can see you.
Okay, see, this is not a easy thing. Okay, I was searching for a topic from my blog post. Okay, and you can see here it is listed on the very first result.
Yeah, this is your site, right? Sir?
Exactly. So this is not a easy
Okay.
thing. Okay, you need to do a lot of on-page SEO and off-page SEO. Only then your page, your blog post will be on the very first link. We know why I'm here to do off-page SEO for my blog post. Okay, so I'm going back to this, and under blogging I'm going to here. So I'm going to talk about what is blogging. Okay, So this is different types of blogging. This is blogging goals. Okay, I'm just going to take what is blogging. Okay, so I just take this. Okay, so okay, so the thing is that see, these are all the SEO analysis. Okay, you can see a lot of problems, right? These are the SEO problems you have to resolve on your site. Okay, I am on the meta description. Okay, the meta description has been specified, but it does not contain the key phrase. Okay, so that's the reason I copied this from my blog post. Here I have given the key phrase as blog, so blog has emerged. Okay, now it will say the meta description suggestion would have been resolved. Now can you see this? It has gone to improvement from problem.
Yes, yes, I can see.
Okay, earlier it was saying that you don't have the necessary key phrase start of your meta description. Your meta description is good, but it does not have the key phrase. Okay, this key phrase is the one we are trying to rank our web page or our blog post on the Google. Okay, so you can use this Yoast SEO, which is a free tool, but if you want to use advanced feature, you need to pay for it. But I think the basic version is more than enough for us. This is how it is going to appear in the Google search. Learn Python with me slash blog, that is my URL, and this is the title for my website, right? This is the tagline, right, or the website name, right? And then currently we are on blogs, so by default this learn Python with me will be a suffix, because that is our tagline, or that is our whole website's URL, right? So that will be in the suffix, but this topic is all about blogs. Okay, because that is the slug I'm using here, blogs. Okay, and you can see the title here, so it has the title followed by the suffix. Next you can see when the blog is created, the date, and then the meta description. Okay, whatever the meta description here, people will read this description. Only then, if they find it useful and attractive, they will visit your blog post or your website. Okay, they will read through this and then they will click on it. Okay, so now meta description is done, everything is done. I'll let you sort this out. Okay, I want you to study the other website and follow the same here to resolve these SEO issues. Okay, for now I will help you how to fix your blog post. I will edit them. Okay, now freelancing, this is under uncategory. Okay, now I need to create a category for this. Okay, what is this category? This is about blogs. Okay, in blogs this is a freelancing topic. So I go to categories, I click on add new category. So this is going to be my freelancing. Okay, and the slug is nothing but it's going to be under the same, right? We already do have a blog, right? We just visited blog, right? Learn with me .biz slash blog. Okay, so I use the same slug here, parent category none, but I am creating this as a new category. Okay, description, we already do have it here from Google Bard, so I'm just going to use the description from here. Okay, I do say I use all these. Okay, I just copy this, I paste it here for description. I have already reviewed it, so I'm going to change few things here, or I need to copy it from a blog post. For beginners, to include writing, editing, graphic design, and web development. To get started, you need to create a portfolio of your work and market your services to potential clients. So I am adding this, add new category. I go back to my post, all post. I select this. Okay, I click on quick edit. Under I uncheck from this uncategory, I add it to the freelancing category. Update. Okay, you can create a number of categories. Okay, that is just to list your post by a particular category. Okay, you can do Python, you can do web design, you can do freelancing, you can do web development, you can do whatever, but all the post has to be aligned to a category. It cannot be uncategorized. Okay, now I go to this freelancing blog post. I'm going to click on edit. Okay, I have installed the Yoast SEO plugin, right? So I'm going to show you how we can use that plugin. Okay, all clear so far?
Yes, I can.
Okay, now we can see earlier this tab was not appearing. Now we can see this tab, right? Yoast SEO. Okay, it says that readability you need to improve. Okay, that is okay. SEO also needs to be improved. That is also okay. See, both are in red. We need to make it in green. Okay, so now we are going to say improve the SEO score. Okay, first and foremost, it says that okay, you read through the SEO analysis first. Okay, what are there are 6 problems. Okay, you can ignore this gray one for now because it's not a major issue. All the red ones you have to resolve. So it says that key phrase distribution, have you evenly distributed your focus key phrase throughout the website? Okay, what is the focused keyword here that is evenly distributed? Freelancing. Okay, we did not search for freelance, we searched for freelancing in the AI text generation. So freelancing is going to be our focus key phrase. I use this, I click on save draft. Okay, so the key phrase is nothing but that is the one you are going to optimize your page for search engines to find your blog post or your website using that particular key phrase. That will be, and that should be evenly distributed on your page or on your post. Okay, page is nothing but home, about us, contact us, services, portfolio, a shopping cart, a checkout page. These are all web pages. Post is nothing but it's an article, you talk about something. Okay, it's just a blog or it's an article, you talk about something. Okay, or you share something. That is the post. Now we are in a post. Okay, so the key phrase is freelancing is here. If I don't know how many times it has been repeated, I click on Control F, I search for it. It has been appeared close to 19 times on my website. It's evenly distributed in all the paragraphs. Okay, clear? Shall I move on to the next
Okay,
one?
clear, sir.
Okay,
Yeah,
outbound links I will cover it later for you, but create an outbound link. We need to create an image. We need to create an internal link. Okay, so what is this internal link? Okay, fine. Now we need to know what is the internal link. Okay, if you scroll down here also at the bottom of the page you will see this Yoast SEO. Okay, and on the right hand side also you can see the panel. Bottom also you can see the dashboard for Yoast SEO. Okay, now the slug is nothing but freelancing for beginners, a lucrative side hustle. So whatever I have given in the title, it has picked it up as a slug. Slug is nothing but a URL, how it is going to appear on the website. Okay, on any website. Okay, so you can see this is our slug. Now there is no meta description, so obviously it will say that you don't have a meta description. Yeah, that is a main problem. You have to, it is not an improvement idea, it is a main problem that you have to sort out, because the meta description is the one that is going to be used in the search engines. Okay, that is a small synopsis. It is just a two-liner update about what you are going to talk about or what you have been sharing. What is the value you are going to give it to the customer or visitors? Okay, so now we need a meta description. Okay, fine. I don't know anything about meta description. Okay, so all I'm going to do is I go back to my tool. I say that, boss, I don't know anything. Okay, about meta description. Act as a SEO expert. Okay, just copy the same one. Say that I'm not an SEO expert, so you act as an SEO expert and write a catchy, highly SEO optimized meta description for above post. Okay, hardly 10 seconds. Okay, but if I need to type this, it will take more than 2 to 5 minutes for me. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this bold one. This is our meta description, so I'm just typing it here. Okay, and I'm going to do the course correction, whatever I need to do. I'm going to publish it now, or I'm going to save as a draft again. Now meta description was in the problems, right? Now you can see there were close to 6 to 7 problems. Now we got only 5. Meta description would have been moved to good results. All good?
yeah, fine.
Okay, now the next problem I want to sort out is the key phrase was found 10 times. That is more than the recommended maximum of 9 times for a text of this length. Okay, do you understand what is the problem now? What is the SEO problem that we do have?
The words is repeating again, right?
Perfect, perfect, perfect. So all we are going to do is we are going to format these things. Okay, this title is always in H1. Okay, this has to be H2. Okay, likewise we need to create um, H2, H3, multiple headers. Okay, you know the HTML tags, right? Those are the readability
Yes,
issues.
sir.
Okay, those are all readability issues. I did not go to readability issues now. Just telling you for a heads up. Okay, if you click on readability, you will see that you do have freelancing as your key phrase, but it is not in the H2, H3 titles. Please use it often. Okay, that is a suggestion you will be getting in the readability suggestions. Okay, for now, SEO analysis on the on-page SEO, we need to reduce the key phrases. So whenever you want to reduce key phrases, right, please ensure it's evenly distributed. As I said, it is there on the page for close to 21 times. Okay, so all I'm gonna do is, see, you can freelance. Okay, that we cannot change. So all I'm gonna do is, what is freelancing? It is a way to work for yourself and set your own hours. You can freelance in any field. This is okay. Okay, I have reduced one now, right? I click on save draft. Okay, go back to your suggestion here. Okay, so you can see density, right? The key phrase was found 9 times. This is great. Have you resolved it?
Yeah, yes,
You
sir.
understood? Okay, so for the SEO, right, it doesn't matter how many times you have used in the paragraphs. It cares only about the titles you are using. Okay, so obviously it has to be evenly distributed throughout your blog post, but you should not overdo it. Okay, what it means overdoing is that is not an ethical practice. Okay, if you want to um, rank your blog post or website for a particular key phrase, you cannot keep on using it more than certain limit. And it is nothing but it's not a white hat SEO, it's kind of a black hat SEO or a unethical practice of marketing your website or blog post. Clear? So I'll just use this free tool to find out some improvements on my blog post on the on page. Okay, off page is nothing but how we are going to use the search engines to rank our websites. Okay, what are all the backlinks we can create to our website? What are all the public forums where we can share our blog post or website link so that we drive traffic from external sources organically. Okay, that is off page SEO. Now on the on page SEO, there are four more problems: outbound links, inbound links, images. Okay, this key phrase distribution, we have already done it evenly across the page. Okay, so I will just ignore it for now. Okay, done. Clear so far?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes.
Internal link, outbound link. Okay, there are two more outstanding action. On top of it, I need to create a image for my blog post, because if you post any article or any website, right, if it is just like this plain text, nobody would like to read that, right? They will get bored. You need to have a image. Okay, I'm going to create an image. Okay, I use Canva. I'll share you this link. This is a free tool. Okay. Create designs, videos, blog post, images, everything. Okay, so all I need is I just need a post like this. Okay, it should be a smaller one, it should be a vertical, or it should be a square type one. So I go with this Facebook post landscape size. Okay, so I click
Okay.
on it. It gives me a default thumbnail, right? Okay, so I just clicked on it, and what I'm going to create, how I'm going to create, I'm going to type about freelance or freelancing. Okay, so I get some suggestions. Okay, so I just click on it. I will just use it as it is. Okay, so in Canva there are few things that are premium content, we cannot use it. Okay, so on my current design, there is a watermark. I need to remove the watermark, only then I would be able to export the design. Okay, so if I look at this, it's just giving me only a plain text which I don't want to use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some other design. Okay, just to test it, I'm just downloading as a image. Okay, so there are few premium contents. I'm going to remove it. Okay, so now this is about freelancing for beginners, right? So I have almost created the design, so I'm just exporting it now. Once it is ready, I will insert it inside the blog post. Okay, done. So it is ready. So I'm just going to use it on my blog post. Okay, so I just want to insert it after my, yeah, I just want to insert it after my very first paragraph. Okay, so I have inserted the image now. Okay, cool. So I save the draft now. I review the SEO analysis now. I don't have a issue with my image suggestion, right? We have resolved it now. Okay, now I need to use a alt text for my image. Okay, alt text is nothing but when you highlight the image, how it is going to be shown, right? What is the alternate text that we are giving for the image, particular image? Okay, done. Just just ஒரு பேராகிராஃப் மாதிரி ஆட் பண்ணிட்டு visit ஹோம் பேஜ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கிரியேட் பண்ணிக்கிறேன். ஓகே, வெறும் ஒரு நார்மல் டெக்ஸ்ட்டை மட்டும் கிரியேட் பண்ணிவிட்டு அதுக்கான லிங்க் நான் என்ன கொடுக்க போகிறேன் அப்படின்னா learnwithme.bizங்கிறத கொடுத்துட போகிறேன். ஸோ இப்போ இது என்னோட போஸ்ட்லேருந்து போகிற அவுட்பவுண்ட் லிங்காக இருக்கும். பட் பெஸ்ட் ப்ராக்டிஸ் என்ன அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு யூடியூப் வீடியோவோ இல்லை ஏதோ ஒன்று தான் பண்ணுறது தான் பெஸ்ட் ஆப்ஷன். ஓகே, ஸோ நமக்கு வந்து என்னென்னா அவுட்பவுண்ட் லிங்க் அப்படின்னா நம்மளோட வெப்சைட்லேருந்து வெளியில் போகிறதுக்கான ஒரு ப்ரொவிஷன்ஸ் கிரியேட் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, ஸோ நான் என்ன பண்ணுறேன் அப்படின்னா இப்போதைக்கு என்னோட பேஜில் 2 இன்டர்னல் லிங்க் கொடுத்துட்டேன். ஒன்று வந்து விசிட் ஹோம் பேஜ், இன்னொன்று வந்து இமேஜ்லேருந்து ஒரு லிங்கை கிரியேட் பண்ணி நம்மளோட பேஜை ரீலோட் பண்ணுற மாதிரி ஒரு இன்டர்னல் லிங்க் கிரியேட் பண்ணிட்டேன். ஸோ ஆஃப்டர் திஸ் ஐ நீட் டு கிரியேட் அ எக்ஸ்டர்னல் லிங்க். எக்ஸ்டர்னல் லிங்க்கு நான் என்ன பண்ணுறேன் அப்படின்னா ஒரு யூடியூப் கண்டென்ட் எடுத்துக்கிறேன். ஓகே, so I just pasted the YouTube link for similar videos. Visit. ஒரு எக்ஸ்டர்னல் லிங்க் கிரியேட் பண்ணணும். இப்போதைக்கு நான் வந்து இது ரிலேட்டடான யூடியூப் கண்டென்ட் கிரியேட் பண்ணதுனால நான் வந்து ஏற்கனவே இருக்கிற ஒரு யூடியூப்ல ரிலேட்டட் கண்டென்ட்டை வந்து நான் வந்து பேஸ்ட் பண்ணிடுறேன். ஓகே, பேஸ்ட் பண்ணி அப்டேட் பண்ணிடுறேன். அவ்வளோதான். இப்போ என்னோட ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் எல்லாமே பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா ரிசால்வ். என்னோட எஸ்இஓ ரிலேட்டட் ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் எல்லாமே வந்து ரிசால்வ்டு. எனக்கு ஒரே ஒரு இம்ப்ரூவ்மெண்ட் மட்டும் இருக்குது. என்ன அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா என்னோட இமேஜுக்கு வந்து நான் ஒரு கீ ஃப்ரேஸ் ஆல்ட் டெக்ஸ்ட்ங்கிற ஒரு இது வந்து கொடுக்கணும். அது மட்டும் தான் பெண்டிங் இப்போதைக்கு. ஓகே, fine, perfect. The SEO analysis is now in green. We have perfectly resolved the on-page SEO. Perfect. So in the next class we will see how to fix the readability issues. Okay, readability is nothing but how your sentences are structured, how your paragraphs are structured. Okay, so it should not be a very lengthy sentences, it should not be a very lengthy paragraphs. Okay, so that's what we are going to resolve in the readability issues.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் வாட்சிங்.